Gotta get moving. I don't have the paid version, so let's go. All right, let's read the first step. We ask ourselves, does at least one of the equations have an isolated variable? We look over here, we say yes. So we don't have to do this next part. It says, if not, choose the easiest to isolate and isolate it. So we don't have to do that part. So we can skip right to 2. It says, substitute the expression into the other equation. Indiana Jones, idle for sandbag. So we see there's my idle, there's my sandbag. All right, and here is, that deadly cave. Doesn't look scary. All right. What we do here is we take the y right here and we replace it with 1/3 x plus 6. So we have 2 times 1/3 x plus 6, and we just bring the rest down. Now we look here, we got that done, we got that done. Now it says solve the equation, step 3, solve the equation to find the value of the remaining variable. Check it out, we only have an x here now. So we're trying to find the value of that remaining variable. First we simplify, then we solve. So let's go, 2 times 1/3, wow, we have to multiply and there's fractions, yikes, scary. 2/3 x plus, we still have to distribute it to the 6, so that's 12. Now we still bring down the 3x plus 1. What do we have here? We have variables on both sides. So we start solving. Let's get rid of, I like to get rid of the negative ones. That cancels, we got to do it to the other side. Now this is just where you have to remember what to do with fractions. How do we add fractions? Well, in this case, it's just a whole number plus the 2/3, so that's just going to become 3 2/3 x plus 12 equals 1. Now, I will tell you this. Mixed numbers are no fun. We need to do improper fractions. So 3 2/3 actually equals, if I multiply that, we get 9, plus that is 11, so that's 11/3. So I'm taking that out. Mixed numbers, bad. Improper fractions, good. Now we are going to isolate the variable using inverse operations, minus 12. We get rid of those extra terms. We're left with 11/3 x equals negative 11. How do I get rid of a coefficient that's a fraction? I multiply by the reciprocal. Multiply by the reciprocal. Looks like a number times reciprocal equals 1. I get x equals, all right, cross simplify, and that's going to be negative 3. So half of our answer is completed. We know that x is negative 3, or hope that that will make it true eventually. Now we got step 3 done. We're going to look here at step 4. It says substitute the value of the variable, which is negative 3 for x, into either of the original equations, whichever one's easier. So I think this one's easier because it already has y kind of isolated there. So I go y equals 1/3 x plus 6. And I'm going to replace that x with negative 3 plus 6. I flip that over 1 so I can multiply these. I'm going to cross simplify, and I get y equals negative 1 plus 6. And then I finish it off by combining those to be 5. So my solution is negative 3, comma 5. So that's what I think the x is. That's what I think the y is for the ordered pair that will make both of those true. I'm going to check it real quick. Check this out. If I replace that with a 5 and that with a negative 3, well, 2 times 5 is 10. Let's see if the other side equals 10 with that negative 3 plugged in. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, plus 1 is 10. Yes, it works. And I kind of already know it works in this one because I just worked it through all over here. So anyway, circle with confidence. Yay! I did it. I didn't run out of time. And now you all perfectly understand it too, right? Hopefully, at least, we're moving in the right direction. Good luck.